na yɛkɔtwerɛ ne mass na yɛkɔ ɔmokɔ remedials na wɔ KNUST campus of is it Prestige College say Presdale College Presdale College mass teacher Hammer akuta kohone kohene mo facilities no akuta mo facilities no but because of free SHS ne ba into bia episode ne ba ko enti mo secondary schools now no mo no absorb the excesses no na aban tua omo ka but don't say na aban support the private school the charges ni nema a obeche and no a profit making venture to fancy bia bibi ti say there feeding ye ho advert wa hay St. Andrews SHS ebia the kind of feeding and the amount of school fees are St. Andrews for obeche are they ready to back down on the fees and absorb those students? Akonta wani bonnet thesis wa mawu sebi wani bo
na o ka che ohini bi o
show them farmer akonta sebi eti St. Andrews SHS esiwe ebia enne so okasa okano ni students pa okuta ebi kure ebia kanena na free SHS mae no no de toto enne numbers no ho ebia ban ready to give you 1,000 Oma 1,000 no osaso aboawo ama ebia train teachers a na nke ebia nko be post wo mo mako eko government schools a ebia onya place mo but school ni available the train teachers be ba be support no what you mo to complement your school
and maybe so SHS you are not feeding them
mo obebro
1,000 everybody you feed them
obebro aduane because aduane no de come prempe college or de come opoku are no ne ma wo ho into obebro omu bi se fa feed omu
I think it's positive
itakota mi hu ade foforo bi e wo ho
so person oya
so person oya
they should consult you and then someone okay very good consultation
say Adea way so person oya
say we have to security experts now be for the Azati bremu na fe ni Vincent to aso
o my me say no amampanyi mama ensem o kan no what re-echoed
Vincent Pajotas
the campaign messages no
that's right
and o my Ghana phone we say you mean business this sound round say name o kan no obeyi ni nyina and the kan enra no me say eni na de no kan 2017 January even say February na the first donation address nyina virtual as say ayepe o my nyema ni nyina o kan no kama ebi wo ho a capital cost driven at this stage it's can I say the gidigidi ebi wo ho a enye scape just implementation bi dey say the national service for a person mo kosa when say military training be attach no
say be send me message or say say no ma bani twam
military dey na
military
and they say na adwene
no fee say military na wo sisi Abano should rather use them in the agric sector. Now, omunkoye and full mind because omugu no practice.
Onya abotre. When Adea Akye say, your security in particular, in military no. O my ubia momodwuma and oman kase omonye. Aban no betime yusu omo. On that say person ko agric construction whatever. Say be a doctors nyane ade or any sector of economy bia no omu obi wum ntene de obi anka se o ma military for no dwuma no manye but we ni de ehu say ekwan national service for fire service no ma ya na ebi o a omu nsua hwi o se menka ne sa obejina betra office na December na ba August aba no wasan ko but we di at least obetimi akọ soja mu na ya man 1 month training say 2 months training krama any may be best the indiscipline in particular in Yasobeti. On my paying Mahama about teacher for person to see Bangladesh mom. Yeah, but where is the fund? Scanner, how is he going to do it? On my paying Mahama, a ball, and we can't get so. On my can't get no. Say, more year that I policy ya on my a game changer. Me and we can't get come in. I'm your man penya on my head, and no that alone could have provided job for Nippon more than 500,000 Ghana. Share on my go can't get no. Say government council will provide it just as every 3 months will provide 2 million. And go can't get one and go on Biama. If any say a Kiafo and as someone person money na one was 55,000 household na be benefited. But see any say nka sa poultry farms Greater Accra on mine. Yempe be say 2 million no, say 2 and 1 month be say 2 months here na be ya. Greater Accra won't be a 400,000. Ashanti region be 400,000. Teacher more regions ni nyina. Na omu wia, omu yanguko no wia o man. Yen we bia warehouse bia. Oh, ye den ngokwa ne ba be ku nkomo ne de che fridge mu. Na ngokwa no nsai. Na nka ngokwa na import fra boche ba no. Eso tie. O man we be me yehu nya the friends job chain no. Adwuma omo mba ye nkokwa ketekete hu adwuma nkosua hu adwuma omba ti ebe tutu nkokwa no ho ye de nkokwa no be ko saa warehouse no ebe boa se de ye koko omo ni papi de koko ye de koko no wi a ye de ba koko shed na ya be ton wo ho eni nga nkokwa yeso so ye every month the government provides 2 million ma omo se omo nkoye omo ye wi a wo ba bia gwa koto a omo nka importation ye omo ye hu se 5% per ene team provide best ayewie no enke be boa ma yanya adwuma ya ebe ye more sustainable a we ni dia ma ye nkokra mfia mo no ni bia nanka ye di ye nkosua ye wi enkokọ eno nkoa be ma maburo nya adwuma ye enka agrek ne be ya akono on say agrek ye wo the aquaculture ensuo mu de e wo best e wo crop ene fence sa vegetables ni nyo keke ni nyina ya ade be ma ya dwuma ye ade ba ko ye be ma nya ama ho beto ye se o ma ye didie ye produce domestication ya the late than latte kan ya obi a head am fa nya dwuma eno ma mpanyi ma mansem o kan o ma se odi 50%
e cry
ye dwuma the next 2 years this country can be transformed.
Thank you very much, Vincent. Me mo akwa ba na umpom to say bibi aboko offense so I share yet to say bibi adedi ye do ba de ase ye do ba de ase ma memra won chen eno a wutie Ghana mampani then sem no kan no your initial comment be kan say
Fusa of the Somai, or the Mamma, the Sim Kunai, to be the make catcher of the Somai and send it to Massi. Now, baby, I look at the often so frank and send it off in Somai or Conan. Now, the acid, so I'm a consulency executive in Chama. Any Umumu, the man be denied our consulency as a down to and the more. Now, Reggie, I would mean so the Okatetia would be in Nanakosi and also on an executive yet. Now, my chair open so. Nana, maybe here, Nana, or Nana, we go more say amount. Before some basket of the nation address, and now we made in common especially about free sectors approach now, you know, you soon be to me, I'm a free sectors, it has come to stay. Say, oh, back health insurance, I mean, yeah, no health. I know something, yeah, no health, private sectors, no, who get involved, and no, and they assume we are. So, tariff now by the man. Yeah, or government sector. Yeah, the end of form. Now, more private sector. I buy not Pito because one of the former teacher, or one of the former nurses, or one of the former doctors. Into a bad tariff now. So, our government is 10 CDR. Or no, our private may be over 15 cities. So, with free sectors, will be deeply said. Say, private sectors now more facilities now make to me. I said to maybe.
Microphone.
Yeah. Okay. Private sectors now, omuwo SaaS friends facilities ombetimi enrolli yankra no on no. Say feeding no ya ma other schools no government schools because kitchen staffs need those yin nyina buy na tu omu kan those yin. See am omu 2 cedis eba private sector na eba ma obi a 4 cedis na 5 cedis. But with the number obenya no ebi ana amount no sa but okay kamboma at the end of the year no bo say ubenya revenue I think say getting the private sector involved no me gidi say aban should engage them send e be ya e betimi aboa amaye yi saade because some of us we all agitate for say you be try double track no send e be ya ankra no benya enough time because you need call secondary school even with you know over economics ebi okra term no nkwa wie na 3 topics be na o teacher ni watimi a kire wo so wo be 20 something topics a obesua it wutimi say 3 years no kra anso na wuntimi nkoba ebe yese ya megiri say ebe man kra no arahye atimi asua de ani kwa so omo ye de omusua nti I think with the free SHS there yen try say ye the private sectors no.
So your general impression about Omannhene
megiri say eno ma na me expect free Omannhene ho no eno na me hu ye because megiri say economy no me to me no normal me dey access say Omannhene bi ba na se obetimi abon homode a enoma me ensa na me dey access sa situation na ye dey ewo mu no. First revenue, how to generate more revenue. Second revenue no expenditure ni nyina abom because se one manage your revenue ye na one manage your expenditure ya ebedru ba bi na economy no ebe dey ebe say na me giri se Omannhene a show commitment a kire say obeboa ama ye expenditure na ye use no bebrebe no eso be dey ebete enu nti se wo hwe ya emra Omannhene ba enne ye say Independence Day wakate course wo ho wo hwe ne ministers a wakate course wo ho enu ana metia afanyoma ake no ohu abia onfa asem no mfa wo say Omannhene abo presidential staff is bebre meanwhile ena me no ka say presidential staff bia enu a Omannhene ayi wo mu bebre wow nim say very few people no ayi wo mu regional organizers any few people no de wo akọ presidency very soon or be there ebeka ho enti I think say the refi no ho enu ti say wo hwa Omannhene commitment a wasase e show eba say expenditure it show say you will hope ye there ewom ena Omannhene say wo bebo obra na say wan hwe wo fie ya me giri say eno emani daso anya there emam me giri say ne ye nuru ba bia ba Ghana fo anya ni daso e wo Omannhene John Mahama ban mu say enoma wasa ase ye no so otoa so no ye ne saade a me giri se Ghana for ebebo na baso ena Omannhene wo mfie nan pe but me hwe the way a o si ye ne normal me giri se there is hope for Ghana enunti oba revenue and expenditure was show discipline ye dey ewo ho afa oba de toso biem financial discipline so on the city because one year financial discipline na sika bia do say ko bom bibia wo ya ne basabasa bigiri say do how be buy dey ebeba o man no so and wo hwe enoma wada adi nyina excessa or you well committed so betimi afa ti hwe ora enro o kan ho asem no se ne be ya obi a waye na adwene se opese obo man no krono bia no uni ne be ye dey ebenya asem o man na me no tie me nim president tirim but me ma ya appointees nyina ya we say me kura na me nya appointment me nim say wo nya appointment na wo didi agora he will sack you because me who the way because so about 4 years no experience is the best teacher when you more experience it wa obenya appointment bia wo di bedi agro ena mabre ena mayese enye ize ena me ready about adongo utim say onya deputy finance minister kura na ko bedi but nipa egu akire wanya eti wa wanya opportunity bia to serve bia no serve and serve well enye nenkoane anajo omo pro omo wanya sika ntem no de yebesere omo adabraka se nyame bo de fo a empo uton su okura na nyame bebe de ebe mo ayeye demom sa opro ho sa obepesika enya de a megidi sa Omannhene onye de ontwe enye de ema na wo hwe pol ebetumi aye de aboa even in the few wetua bond holders so what I say ekire wo se or your willing so be ya na ye nuanom say your friend say no map de and de ato order than hon kro no ba so obi ba na ye wabusua panyini bia obedi ade a efi ajapade ode abo ahyewo ana ode aye bibia ma ajapade na say it is say unua ba nempo e wo saa hyehye ne wo ho no wabetua give him the benefit of the doubt eti yabesere omu e wo saa kwan no so na me no ka say national service a no eka yentimi ntua ena obaye ye crude oil na ba bia wo no entimi mfa ye nyedai enkwa animu Omannhene ye crude oil na ba bia wo no entimi mfa ye nyedai enkwa animu Omannhene bae wa yisika ama yakotua ama ne ye nkania eye dai ekoso but minim se challenges kakra ho eye all because of maintenance eye dai ekoso na me giri se mrepam so mu wie maintenance me giri se lighting system no ebe dai ebe koso kama enunti ya wonoma bebre a Omannhene oba a few days watimi ayede aboa but without admitting untimi nka nkira me say Adea Obaya wabehunu no onka na no nye de entum ewo se oman ni hunu no ma ayede akoso ewo oman yi mu ena me no ka say ye debt eko 721 billion Ghana cedis e state of the nation ewo so oman ye hunu ka oba to ye na mom so de taku na asempo aka ho na oman na hunu e ka eda ho a ebe de na Ghana fo ayede agi na di enu nti ye be se enua no mp before say 721 eno mu ja tu wa ye beto ye yanso ye dibi ka ho a ye be ma oman na ye de ehunu eto ye enti ebi be ka ho a na anya Ghana fo nwanwa se saa eka we ye ba ye NDC ba ye ne ya bebo ye ba ye cocoa bonds a enne me no ka sei Adea minti bi da Adea minti bi mpanyin se mra ye ba me ba wi ase se enne cocoa bond yeah 32 billion Ghana cedis enti we nyina ye normal e was say your Magana for ehunu because yeba mu eyeden they will hold us accountable because baby obefa any baby obedru nti se waba na se normal bi wo ho na enkoye normal bi wo ho na se enaye normal bi wo ho na se ensisusuye na wa Magana for anye de ehunu a megiri se wa ha na me ni unua ana ya papa Nsiasare Dr. Nsiasare kasa no areho Sompa ba ko a yemu bi wa ye mrante nti me ya na me kase me ya amanyo na saade bi wo ho na se ya nka ho asem a de wo ha beba what's a project marko 1111 was spending almost 400 billion Ghana cedis US dollars so want me and we one project and you still come out and defend Diana mi busa mo say nti ya na amanyofo no ye nya mandate na ya na ye busa ye say how many years do we have. Well, him say, oh, a mandate of 4 years. Out of 4 years, we really 111 ago. 111 now, useful lifespan. You know, say you cannot achieve that target. It means ya na de bi ameka say nyansa nyame de ma wo bibia wo ye wo ho no. Wo ye unique. Wo na wonim trimupa nyankopon de aye de ama. Enti e wo say wo make sure say you give yourself timeline. Say na be ya obetimi achieve no within the appropriate time. Na atimi the glory atimi aye de abawo. But what me at now just how we nyina egu ho ene wo sa be gina ho be defend me nua no se ko mu started with 20 emenka empo sa 400 million no omutimi di wie 20 ka me gidi se Ghana fonke be bo mabaso Ghana fonke be de o mase because me gidi se why you be that ye chese wo be ye bia ebetimi aye da aboa eno na ma ye wura John Dramani Mahama e ma yakonya ene Ghana for se yensan kofa ye wura John Dramani Mahama enye de emra because ye hunu adwuma o ye ma ye okumase ye hunu adwuma o wie ma ye okumase keje tie otimi wie ma ye tafo otimi wie ma ye wa kwan na wa ofin su kroma otimi ye de ma ye enu nti we nyina kire ye se eye bibio ti se MPP abai ofin so gata o masa abeja no ho iti se obeja gata wo ha upa ye no 300 kilometers na say ye ba na ye 10 kilometers kra na ye gusua people will appreciate the 10 kilometers more even than the 300 ube ye ne gata eti ye ba se ye nuanom MPP for say the kind of mentality omo de govern omo baba omo de govern no ye ba se omo say eduru ba bi a omo nya too ambitious omo susu nya too ambitious na ye ma mandate ye 4 years so 4 years make sure say at least ubeja yade a yenso ye kwa ye betumi di ayede akao enu ti abasra agenda 1111 sam na eba no ye de ye nim say there is none of them which is in operational now se sia ye wura John Dramani Mahama o se ade bia ye wura Akufo Aduja ho bia no ono obehwe se obeye but before se obeye no e wo se o ma state no ye hu the position now enne wa agenda 111 ba kokura ni wa ye mu adwuma so obaka ya tama yesi Legon teaching hospital no there were people na yetri no mu outside tama yesi project na ase ya no professors wo ho a na ye dey ya send mu outside mu ye dey ekosua de sana wose yenso ye dey ye afa na wo tiwa wo ka se afa na wo betreni amanfo how can you do that. And if you tie in some kana, say even the Omannhene no kra some of the contractors kro mu ntio mu ka. Yeah. Because we are can say e kwan bi your friend say aka kwan bi o mu be ye but contractor na hunu say as the way abani si ba no. It means some of the contractors no kra na Omannhene o mu die no o ye ntio mu ka. Na wo ye adwuma wie na ntio obi ka. Can you say the thing is in operational? You still own the person. enu ti ya basre omu se baby aduru no omuma yan Ghana for ehunu the true state of the nation sane be ya uhunu ukro na no watimi awaya ni no wamia na atimi aboa ma oman Ghana aye dey akoso se wo hwe ye nua stikan so a tama obusa na senken fan no wantumi anka sam papa bia amfa se sika no se 64 billion no wo hwe ya owie ya wonam wonasa yes what I say wo kasa wonam sa owie ya na yan credit NDC na sika no way. That was the question that you asked. Usi na sika no ya dey way yampa sa sika no na yes or no, but on that manufo no ya na we think we are so smart. Enti what the question na anka say da ho no answer dem mo de wonam sa na ode be wie baby ode wie no, but granted ene yama Ghana fo ahunu say sinking fan no, this is the amount ye dey ye wo dey ewom enu ti ya basira o mampanyini say ensama ode beto o me de bia me ka say normally ya me mpe challenges say wo ma me mandate problem na wo mu no me ntanye de enhwe ba solution na ye dey ye pe enu ti de ya say o mampanyini ni say ensama enura obekaye no onhwe na o implement no sene be ya Ghana de ahoto be de ebeba one of it na ye 24-hour economy enura oka ho no enura o seti categorically say free SHS have come to stay. Ye expect say omampanyini betimi a review free SHS because ye nuanum bebre o school ma enegareto no mudi. They should review it. If there is a need for us to look at it holistically and see say ye betimi aye bibi afa ho a ye nya bibi nya dey emfa ho ye wo friends enko konketenkete project anura o kan ye me gidi say ye nyina obi a nim say ye maya dwene koso a poultry importation ko e de ba Ghana kra is more than 2 million Ghana cedis. So it tells you say sempo ye nkakra kra wo ye fie yeah US dollars ewo Ghana ha eti say yetimi eye saa no ma na ebetimi aboa ama ya reduce tax for foreign and am no kase o man Ghana ya nhwe ya baabi e keka kon enu baabi ni yankura no kra no wo fufuo si o mu ni ho o mu ni because ene se wo hwa chicken mine ende mine we mine eti nkura na ene saa no ma na no mu di se de anya kakra de ye be ya abrofo ma
Indomie generation
what you say ye be ya abrofo ma miwa ye kala esu ye tuntum wo ye da tuntum no de ontimi sisa no be kokko won de esiti aniti ye basre se omampanyini onya bibi a betimi a reduce taste for foreign product no na atumi aboa ama o my Ghana aye de
akona why ye shani mo say era George Oponso be kan sa time about Mr. 4 na efrel say malaria pa dia e TIME na honam tutu anase wonu mo ato untumi ni dia e TIME eno ano mo de time HH so aba e ma won komo aho ye denti anopa wi anwumre yade ba eno akoma wotumi efri honomo frey 0244417669 0244417669 na eba liver and kidney specialist hospital there Vidank Healthcare ahodo daban sokoban J Kufuor School Junction hope Vidank Healthcare na when your UTI urinary tract infection when your bladder inflammation and cystitis high cholesterol hyperlipidemia when your diabetes hyperglycemia prostate enlargement bladder inflammation gallbladder stone kidney stone sa yarwa fire krawa ne ye brebo nom ne ye sa ho de fakodan Dr. Victor Nanadankwa or the bibidro ni afidie be famu no ahwew kama the number is 0502230999 0502230999 Kayo I want you to buy soccer buy J Kufuor School Junction admission yes St. SHS na efre ye jembo frano from SHS 123 a boarding facility the hostel facilities papa B wasi results kwale twa na etwa obehu yen ewo Rich FM premise wasin fosu mankazim new edubiase shama dunko no offense asan so ne nkran frey na yentete obama 0244696911 yeah general arts general science business home economics visual arts and agricultural science. Na bibia koso obo Herbal medical research center wakoma wodo sa cancer ya obo tim say ye wo ya broni friend angina palpitation wonante kakra akoma bo periperi ye friend profuse heartbeat okon any wabasa etutu wotitimi jawsa titifo se asorobe migraine afei duma bia wonya adwuma bia nso wabrɛ wani susu brew fatigue and dizziness when nyina wo kabo mo a ekopie se diabetes, infertility, syndrome, and one in Obo Herbal, a medical center, Bebo, Castle Official Town, Kumasi Adrato Dumenu, and Cran Castle Official Town, NKZ, headquarters, a Yardishman, Ewon Kranza, a Drag Council, Fred 0257472506. Now you're queer him 21st clinic, a damn with your wall, a Adabracas is here, Bomoding. E wo say pain na e fa osisi e kira fa woto ase ko ka won nantiri ne friend sciatica brane fa bibidro kan massage and machine treatment and show ye twa lab ye hunu ba bi e haw no wo na ye fa adro no enkan council quarters wo boase call junction ho ne branch no wo enkan domi market Kumasi ehwan ha ya nkranza tachima name eye sunwane so obehu ye 0540 311 Coco ya idea bonne papa. Ebu also coco near dro. So won't try 3 eco capsules and candy okano. 3 eco capsules are 3 Herbal Center diabano. Your friend the Coco Master. A best coco nasi. We see yo yano be ye every ho now fee and kamba baba. Ultiminum quadjuma. Also I wouldn't need their constipation. 3 eco capsules there. Calling at Danny Mistini Apedanko Benya 0546 107 107. Dawood 360 capsules and Dawood ointment. All the uchichi. Now when I was no na bibia cost kama ba. Kumasi just so crapa and our sanso and our share. Say you are signing so 0244 886437. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. There were 3 variants. There were total care toothpaste, whitening toothpaste, and a herbal toothpaste. But more than I saw, could just Obebusa near the Amawo. There were Prince, Princess, Monarch, Duke, Duchess, and the kiddie brushes. I would do a juicy come. Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush. Jabbing Raban. Yeah, the Ahoto super fixed deposit. Osika bottle brain. Na your interest rate and that's what was so papa. Over to me this fixed deposit no cry collateral ajemusia we ho. You need market volatility say inflation cost ra osika no so ate eba from debi. Ye fa no nya adwuma kra. Afei customers abase bi a wode osika beto aduru maybe or say we withdraw before maturity. Yen till penalty bi even no be yen say now what my inti uba jami bank there. Oh, your rate so it's open for negotiation. Sika dodo a wodi begu ho no no interest rate and no beka. Ye the obapa loan scheme aba, ye ba mama. Ye maame no mo say bua o hia sika kakra de asem na interest ne da form bra ne bebo bosia we ho no no commitment fee say ye till say loan no you will tell guarantee sembia ni ho wo de an say waba dwabi bank say me your ba na mo say oba pa loan person di hu shem ye be boa dodo small and medium enterprise so o madwadie ene o mo nkita ho ye boa o mo pagya ni nyina e wo ho no mo for 0271 409340 0271 409340 ye wajuso Bonure, Jamin headquarters at Timothy Money, Roman Hill magazine, separating poem, Fumesa, and at the Simine, not Bibia Cosso. Come at the amount, Tony Sack. One no, and I saw ya snimmy at the birthdays, no, Eba, TVs, freezers, air conditioner, washing machines, gas cookers, microwave ovens, rice cookers, blenders. Home theaters, electric irons. As you can quantum pom one more, Uber to the sack any property electronics aba. Ukopie cocoa board runabout to Sunyane, Yanni oil transport ding Janimu and a sphincter so ya what branch was 0244 1192 36. Mame Emma the water that everybody is talking about, Kenyan and natural drinking water.
Yes, sir.
Many are to say.
Namiadum, Pacho, now.
Bibi Aboko.
Yes, sir.
Pacho Mia, you know, what Mia?
Green.
Okay. Bibi Aboko, dear, the Yamias. Minya won cranty, nay, channels.
Yes,
by it, you are not paying.
All right, I'm not paying, so mine, ya baby, and I, if I pomodin. Ya can say a brave brain, yeah, na, yeah, the medication, treat most sicknesses instead of just drinking the right kind of water. Now, no pain, you will be or non so a journalist or person or near share a dance here. Testimony about the Kangen water, why you're consistent on it for a while. Just for a few months, you know, Ebra Gode, August, Wanumunsu, na Boano, no severe challenges. Actually, a young brother, only a timer, some timer, general manager for a repair, and introducing Sunuman, or con office no EB man. And no me and SONA Buano to the extent say a diguma be brave when in Nipedium. Now, or Haiti and then I feel I may send a free num. Okay, on one casanum sem.
Okay, but they are Quaba. Now, point to say,
Admiral,
the body I say,
there is also here.
Be who your pa,
Kanji and Aroma.
Kanji, you. One Kanji Amawa, I do much,
Papa.
Over free girls, so I do have a cousin with it. I just say. Enyasam ketwa
sanity
dia na woni pedia no ye wo na onum wie enso ate sei
amai me das anza mema umfie na ekwa ni mu kakra o prostate die ehun sem be
engini after 30 years ne eye kese
enti me shaase nya symptoms bi ene ade yasi we no akoto bi uteti no no bebre eno no bi asela na nti edu baabi na me call time ho ewo oyepa na me ni di nkomo na ye kan so ihu asem ena osu bi kura wa hase ntije ena me nom ye but me nom ye no man tuaso anye ho hwe na me tie wu anopa bi ena Assemblies of God so fu bi freye.
That's right.
No oka se onu so aboa no na ne de ne se na odwonso a emaye
na onya urinary retention
enti okona danfo bi ho na oyi keto ba akoma no onu wie ye no ka hye awrade an munyam se ensuo no ba kama enti sabre na mu nso na media na be ye serious se yakwasha me rubber
oh
yes ne asha me catheter na omami huna manepa enti beti sofo na sam na okan ye wo Sompa na
osa kai time
na me kai time ade na nam se no enti sata na makọ hospital bi ama makọ ye test bi o honum ti mi free hono ena me free timer ena odi papa number ma me ena o kire me ba bia menya bia to ba bia me wono ena me to 4 bottles I pack no high pH no enti me di bedru ye no ena nwumre na me start se me no enti me num ya ma we na the following day no pe bo be na bottle no ba ko na sa na me to aso a enti second bottle no ya san no mu no na me hu se obi a metimi gu nsuo guade fa rubber ye de ahya mi no mu no afi ma hu se nsuo no fa efa ho banya se pese efa ho ba na me hu se changes bi aba enti me call back to the hospital onum na omuyi rubber no ma me efiri onum no na me amitimi jo nso because I block it 2 days ya na mitimi emu nsuo when ni sukura hye wote se de owo wutwa jene no enya asam ketwa se bi nto wa timi de meka be ma bia se wunya symptoms pe to anamo efata se utu edefa ho ne koduru de me de eduru ye ya waso be ye hyepa bi se
na free one na was starting no kan ti no why you free
mini ameti as say na no me doctor ne di nkomo unim me koye test bi no mo se ade na wo se eye 3 maximum of 4 ba me de na pagya koduru 95 yes aduru 95 ena ade no yes anu so no emma me kidney stones because na Johnson ne man no recirculation yes enti minya kidney stones nso
whoa
minya e free se minum kanjin ya ade free ho no mu a me yi na no ye kidney stones ba ko kura ni ho no nyese aka ketekete kura mbo ho ba ko kura ni ho
ko pai no a
enya san ketwa
The bone fi ha dem yes awaga. Who did the pebble?
O ka sa ho ya de na o ko dia ko. Ya asemo. Enti kidney stones no ekọ. Enna Johnson 7 no so adeda yi. Enti kanjen de me sabi minim sika papa de be mami a be ma be kan asemo a.
Yes, eni pa ho na wo yense.
Ma fra wa fidie so kra ka ho asem pen. Yes. Enti no kanjen so no de especially high pH no ene ni nuanom nketewa ni nyina no eye nsu esese no na nipa enom. Fisa ne ma etimi wash through system no man Metinox hotel. Na my use car for a long time nti nante na ho eden ma me nante kakra bia na mabre me started kanji yan mu na me ka debi me ka choose me nante from Knox hotel ekwa adum mante bre me feel so light say eniama na me hunu say me mu ayedu no enimu bio nti kanji de eniama atumi aye e de aboa me no sabi edwunso sami so kwa akire no ahoden so aba pa
se ba hu so ayo sase
ahoden aba pa
isi a ujina na so
ahoden aba
pa
ediro
isi ekobi sama no
kanje se o yare na wo nu maduru a fa sanzu ne nom me kai se na me hospital bi ano me be bed ho na na sisi ho a me de no minu and the rate I me dey recover from whatever I did wo honum no and that is so amazing. Enti kanjen udidi o udaw uye de yen o e wo se kanjen nsuo e na wonum na high pH water therapy no o my unse nsuo yese anopa wonum nsuo eye ba nsuo bebre onum a na e hye wo so anopa ba kanjen ntesa me na no ade bi kura aye kura ade bi kura minim se da etanimu a we need prostate is 17 no mzi minim to sine we no no ntibita atwi makoni we no padam twi bi na ya o man mi di wie je bani ase nyina prunsu bi ko hwie kanje gu manum as manum me de kulun kakran ase ya wipe me teacher man so makoni nyina
and say also the calcium potassium magnesium ne iron no oba de nu bra e wo nsuo sure e wo nsuo but bebre no because of the osmosis ne one osmosis no we na afrim na da pure
raw water
okay mama mra o china so we here so be
case baby engineer wo kana na metiem say water therapy now we can consistency is key or shas yes on so I think by 8 months to close to a year and then we have this massive improvement and that is what Dr. Otuwobek was saying edumrebi no go so no free say we here so be shorty now shorty it was about 4 days or 3 days or shorty you know or say near sea you know it was serious and that tells you say in the process there is this detoxification there is this natural healing the immune system is healing itself and here the bia ya studios we want to project edro but enye yare bia na we here edro say odibe treaty. Sometimes you need good drinking water, that is alkaline water, to say kangin. You need good food. Obi or cholesterol, you should know automatically. Say we do an you should eat warm food. Every time you have to heat your food and sana already. Because the more you eat cold food, it is going to like make your blood slip. And this morning, testimony this morning is about prostate and our things, so no cancer, and also yes, cancer and also. Yes, I wish you touch on that.
Okay,
yeah, I want to me by say quiet test no, say it should be 3, maximum of 4.
Yep.
Yeah, quite na me then ready to 95. Yep. But after kanji no, now no me call ye test no about 5.
Okay.
Which I'm still on kanji.
Yep.
Me did said the next year me convisit no, me ba normal hall because from 95 back to 5 for the it's just a massive improvement pa nti o man kanji de emu bi di aya man no me yonko baako amankwa na be 8 years ontimi na okoda bed so obetima da ho say sa na ade ache
that thing is a hack of
insomnia green papa mankwa 8 years nti on time bi anajo pa na me ni di nkomo mete go so no no so tikuma ase nti di nkomo anajo sa fe me bra na ma ja na aka onu ana so be hweti bi ama bi a chan
free night call
eti me daji nso yi bi wo office na me di bi come no o man ene mo 9 ofre no wunya no
Oko.
Na no kwa so oko bank so oko ye na de oko mutual insurance bi so oko akoye ni process bi onum o tena say ya na che ati afa so kra oko men tumi na mikoto dwe enipa eba ye mimi hu kanje no I recommend ya nipa be 16 o man na no duada me kan se mu say ya me kasa wie ye me hu se ba kwa send message me ko hwe ya 1000 cedis se me mfa to me ho fi se me de kanje na boa no papa
1000
ni koto dwa me yeti studio ho
ni koto dwa
kasa mo me a me mata baba kanje ndero na mo mo 1000
ni ko introduce nso no kra ma no kra nya sa sika
na me a me baba da Europe fie president mo chago de 1000
obi a wato nso na ma no ena nipa na send ne 1000 Ghana for buying him kanje
well go to some time all right before mo chi akwan no to Ghana ma
all right your number says 0241
44
91 0241
44
91 and after 050 737 94 74 050 737 94 74 the person here distributor just send us WhatsApp from 2000 Ghana cedis you remember 20% commission so the good news is that open so a major distributor crowd there onya na bear 23 cedi 50 pesos now once wait to me atom now we nya on faso or Bremen UGC
thank you very much Bremen UGC wonya one more I know you kanjin and aje drink good day better say okay mamenya birthdays no quickly na yen to asum free ha na me loyal Paul minim say wo de wo timechire ya na no ai late nesa I home into me guys and baby maybe the boy. All right. Happy birthday to Madam Christiana Ado, Mrs. Ado, marketing manager, Kesmin Media. Happy birthday to you, girl. Enjoy your day to the max. We wish you all the best. A wonderful woman as such. Afe immaculate or say to Adea. Hey. You didn't know. Immaculate or say to Adea of University of Energy and Natural Resources in there. Omannhene Tiawa Ventures Tiawa Omautrinkwa Harriet Asamoah Akye Abia of Reynoldsburg, Ohio, USA. And there you are from your children and Apuku Lebron, Gabby, and your brother Evans and Jessica Powerful Tech and Nanaba for Starboy Harriet Akye Abia. Don't know Kwabena Kwache Apia, Asen Central MPP organizer, Oye Jumo Ghana Maritime Takrade, Officer Pasto, so Trinkwa, and my lovely wife, Mrs. Comfort Sewa of UK. I really appreciate your love and impact in my life from your husband, Berima, and Abigail Boatma Ado of Sompa MCR. Abby, oh, my daughter. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sexy. My intio tiawa na fe. Yemra na mimiti Honorable George upon lawyer. Give us. Yema Ghana for you na kwa wa ebola chiba give us. Mami too.
On Sompa 93.1 live on Sompa television. You pass it through Adea Akye Abia. For Penny Dr. Solomon Kwabi Adano na docs here Mr. Pomodin Hon seminar to saying and Empire Monk Common family within the next 10 minutes and a Pomodin Passion Con our panel Yakopon Benami and so na once Etimia can a cross Yenro a hodo in num I war a just so Memumi nuti to pan and over Betty Hon and Como Bedin Como Adea Give us Herbal mixture Ebuana a regulated immune system malaria typhoid and I say join the bit was here at the free Winnipeg and I say give us GC mixture and I give us GC capsules and so to when we are any other related infections I say at the free Winnipeg and mean to 2025 yes and person be compromise on your health. Into no Mr. Baby or to Nubia. Ewo man Ghana muni titu pa ane herbal shops a wodo no kwa insiste se ope ye no ni bi na wonso wato bi na wodi edi wodwuma se de bia ye ka no ya this advocacy over the years ache na no na ma ye dan so ye say ye recommend anase ye market ye do ne keke ye ton anase ye recommend de ma ono na ye che ono yo ma hodo a we ya emwa wapomoden ho nsem na wabomoden enso atwon ho de afi ho inti medication no ayade se ho ehia ye pa sanso na afi se yempese obeye de friend is selective justice and am se agidi se ya rebia ye capable se betimi agye ho nkwa e de afi ho nsem inti mfa ho ne yare no se de siti e beba ni padua no so Mr. treating all that sense of urgency inti ne se de wunya eye obi ho no ma or any problem or the dialysis so anke kana wadi treat no eye stronko sanso na afa obi nso ewo ho no ma ne obenya yare ahodo a ye nuru ahodo no etimi esa no no so ya na ho keka no indeed bo ho se ewo fompa nti ye se ye mpese obeyi yare ahodo a ebeba oni padua no enso emoji number so be free on 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 numbers no ego screens no aso betimi enso afresa abre ya enkomo bia pesa on doc edi bia no bejo so na wetimi ne na bon komo ye sha said the free givers herbal mixture and so a drone no de bia me catch say the last point of defense minister I want nipadua ni my dear friend say immune system now immune system they break it down the entire nipadua ni na so ade say no so betimi a break it down na yem pese be break it down na nipadua ni benya hoden hwonko and internet na no pay recommended givers about mixture draw and so wetimi at the amount na kind of no so say immune system no awo dwumade integrally mienu a di wo nipadua ni mu ne mpempe no ya na yetati immune system ho nkomo so yen hyeda nchiechie mu ma ne nsi ase immune system no ekra component ahodo a eno and a form ya panase make up immune system no na ansa na benya de friend say a complete healthy immune system no se sa component no etimi ahoadensem eba form a ya de say woni padua ni nyina so beba form ya wo de friend say a white blood cell bone marrow and afi a complement system ni nyina e form immune system no na ege de friend say recognition and identification of diseases and infections nti ya re bi e beba woni padua ni mu no immune system no na identify na edi afri honom enti obi honom a waya react with over time series of treatment and medication ya running ntimi nko bon ka ya mo ho se ndokre ayade se wo immune system no eswa hoodensem enso atimi aba form to be give us about mixture do ni bi na won so atimi anom na recognition and identification no atimi ayama we no esanso edi free honom a de ye friend ne say records keeping and as data keeping ya re aba pen na se ba biem na immune system na adwuma se be kai na ho se indeed ya we aba na se eba biema ebesa enso ade afi honom nti ano aye dwumadie mienu integrally immune system na edi adema frequent illness why are ache one monuro ntimi enko most especially when you cold and ase kata ebon kaye ama wahu sampa immune system na swan wadensam and so atimi aba from to be give us about mixture do ni bi sanso na afi o digestive system no e cause problem adema no sanso na afi o respiratory system no o lungs ni ade ni nyina no and so atimi ade how shonko and so ade ba so ntimi so pe give us about mixture adru na enom yare afa ne satire for the betu ase wa bra onom give us about mixture do Manela typhoid mwa one of the area I find a typhoid the area never depending on munia and one tenner conipedian de bia meka sebiania or udina conipedian ya solid food me short noa na heating rate and as a cooking rate and cautious saying soon na beto e de afra bonten ya recommended brand bia ma na mom brand agidi ese na quality na washo obetimi ato fie and awo borehole water na simple pipe borne water and they once we did wujuma medication bi adidi wugidi yesa wo de gu nsuma ebe purify no obetimi enso ayene sa na ni apomeden passion ko utimi enya ntie na ye ma the precautionary measures are udiswa ebetimi aboa na so was stay alive na wanya apomeden pa na simple wanya yare ni bia want so what pay give us about mixture do be now so what me anom na tie for the area no the bit was say kwan hwonko so obosha say efono or anase wonya constipation, diarrhea, prolonged fever. We're gonna syndicate a hot web on kaye. I'm who say when ya your friend is a typhoid, area needs a near tumra. Na ya chair we see ya try arena cough by and I recommend the no and so the ammonium of safety precautionary measures with the baby jumasan so now for when ya malaria, female anopheles mosquito, account the plasmodium parasite, money the aguni pedianimo. In previous years, in recent times, I have friend is malaria, a year a be mine inti yase the more na ye fia hodo na generating tontom inti yen keeping an environment ne clean na so ebia ya ye amene a spread ya na say breeding tontoma na ene wonoma ka ama wonam so ama wanya malaria ya ria no na de inti na female anopheles mosquito ebe ka wanam so ohia nipa moja na ode a produce inkosua ye offsprings na wonoma koso multiply in numbers it is when nipa moja enya de so betimi atune nkosua inti the male mosquito de ohia nipa moja and I'm so feedy wadia a very tasty our flower where friend say nectar name of the female anopheles mosquito or cow on a benam swam when ya rare friend malaria ya loss of appetite on I take a crabby na wabre or just a one person ya when you know my hood of a bone kaya mo who's no crab when ya rare your friend say malaria ya really bobe frere on 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 baby a ton robia wo man Ghana mo kwan insist so give us about mixture obenom ebetu malaria say sanso na afa time for the betu ase join this ebetu ase na sa regulate mu immune system no e de ama your so would give us GC mixture and afa give us GC capsules say nkomo ne yetia na said e bia ya meka ewo baby amakasa ne ahanem say say wi ase kubatan a wonom hwe wi ase apomden ho nsem so World Health Organization na me anya ho ntiase say ayade say enemu yare na bani padua no so a World Health Organization say dodo wana ye de friend say symptomatic na ye ka say enemu yare bi ye symptomatic enemu yare abani padua no so nanso symptoms ne na edi tene enemu yare ahodo bi a wanya aba woni padua mu no obepe give us GC mixture na give us GC capsules ya no me de bom enemu yare ni ngina ebetu ase obefrɛ on 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 but they are turn no bia kwan insisting
okay
yes you no need
sexy givers all right lawyer transform me na Vincent so and Vincent when you feel day lawyer what I say and Vincent 1 month to Vincent and they were fire bomba yeah the time is so cry yaso lawyer akwaba
mejo so man
omabani job mama edra
ade ne de epo num
say
epo num kasa tenten to don entoponko you see
did you really enjoy the expose from the president but your mic now so green
so
me also
so green
I know me also be so green yeah not just say
I say Sompa milika mom aba so mo akọ high tech ba bia mo free am ba na ye mu bi ne e bonyo so ba mo ba ha so ese mo ama ade no aye fa abro so
aye simple
di mo aye ade na you see omampani mahama wanke kan de o kan e na enka onye politician but beyond the politics the realities are there wo wasem so be reset Ghana na reset no na ye mu bi adwen ene ente ase ne say reset no wo de ye ekoye echi a wo de yeko the back old days na mu chechire mu mi ete ase say wo reset no de wo de ba be ye ni is a reset no de ye hu reality Ghana be feeling say was started by sector asha say wo ECG or the dumso naba oh di onya we ene ba bi out here ne se minya dan ho ame han ngade Ghana ni bi aka ne so de dumso na bo Ghana ni bi anyu me dana no mahama ende de wa ponti ansa na mrahye bejafo na eti some constituents na ka kire o
oh okay
to de dumso na ba ene also wo health sector e ho so wo reset wa sha se with ambulance eno nso de reset na ba ohu abubo le ya ambulance no
ayaba
oh na na video live
No, but not. No, on the social media there.
And you see, sector by sector, or receptacle, it go reach everybody.
That is the ambulance.
It go reach everybody. About two will be a resetting. And I shall say free or more. Alawane yaje, Baban de Ento. I'm resetting maybe I shall say free. A house ya pamo munizum goofy.
Oh, no, about the class necessary.
Ness, your monk, and him for the
teacher
camp.
for
Na teacher for the my money. Say teacher for no Jalawa. Alawane yaje Ento. A teacher for 11,000 plus 9 upon goofy, Omannhene for. Terminations will break also baby. You see, somebody who has no principle in life cannot convince me of doing anything better for me.
How can you say
how can't I say that? It is this president who, in his time, Oluzu election 2016, 16th and 19th for making appointments, which those appointments subsisted. Offer nipa bebree, which almost cost a. So if this president at the time, the explanation in the definition, ne church more de my and say, see a two about more maybe or Omannhene or who coins or year Juma to the seat the
January.
And they further explains even before the night of the 6th no crown, the Embraman who coins or be a home coins away. What has changed? With the Antoabaman, Ghana for Antoabaman. I didn't answer. So where is the principle?
Oh, okay.
The principle should have been that said, yeah, an appointment, you expected it to subsist that. And then you will be in Zwayana, Ghana high a term of office for 4 years, which the constitution or no other law prescribes otherwise. It is overness, you found Krabia Juma. And remember, say simply so Ghana foresaw this, say, oh, Bano Bepam Crofo, was a me Tafre Bible. Obien who are me Pamano. Me ba me dibi me na ba beka ho. I hope you watch that video.
Yeah, I played it here.
So what has changed from that principle? Then assistant. Etinin some of the economy is in crisis. The economy is not in crisis. It is your confused government that is in crisis. Your confused government. And they are in crisis.
Why would you say that?
The economy that you left behind in 2016 was growing by 3.6% GDP rate. And now it is 6.7%. You are telling me the economy is in crisis. I don't know this before. When we gave the people 30% in 2023, 2024, 25% salary increment, these people stood on platforms and told us, say, now, over 10%. You expect us to clap for you. Other than 10%, so 25%. Now, how is that possible? The hypocrisy in this country is so much. Labor union bribe because you have 25%. And no matter appointment, 10%.
Why not can I say?
Papa, you know, almost say, oh, yeah. I besa that ye be papa bi ano o chira de wo yi legun ya almost say
Professor Jambo
o mi amaje ma mo masi.
Actually he was cleared by the
cleared by who?
By University of Ghana.
But that so was the allegation.
That was the allegation.
And
leading to suspension, but he was cleared. He came back to work. Said the allegations were not true.
Were consensual or were not true?
They were saying it was not true.
Were consensual or was not true? That was what came.
Okay.
Say or enforce will be So if you are saying it's 10%, so 25%, where lies your principle and your conscience? So say yes, set it principles now. We set it straight. The economy is in crisis. Whereas the perimeters are the original so economy is in crisis. Even say the banking sector clean up. Banking sector was growing about 81 point something billion dollars at the cedis at the time, and now it is about 367 billion cedis. And you are telling us it's now poorer than the before. 87 367 is 81. How can you do this? The import cover as we have now is more than 3.5
5 months import cover as against the Uda and was 1 month and some few weeks. Why are you doing this? So your analysis defeats your conclusion. Your own analysis per what you have given us, it defeats your conclusion that the country is in crisis, which is false. And you know, country we our crisis. No mum, a confusion. And near my can't so be ya went to me and they also be shower. You told us how many people were you going to give in your cabinet or your government, women or more. I said you've given them 10%, 19 you give them a man you penny. And if I say obeying government, our minister system. Now you have a communication directorate at the presidency. You have communication minister. You have 5 deputies. You have 5 assistants. Put all of them together, about 21 of them. Now, we have a deputy. When you have chief of staff, you go to the vice president. You have chief of staff, the deputy, the portfolio. So you are giving these funny appointments, and presidential staffer.
Resoma. For the Black Star experience.
To say the portfolio.
The portfolio no yet to say the MPP more the year of return. It's Black Star experience no year for tourism.
And one gentleman one of the movie stars.
KOD.
Or no so the any day.
Oh no advisor on.
You see, so this is advisor on foreign diaspora. Diaspora.
Black Star experience.
So Black Star experience and diaspora. What is the difference? You are giving me these funny portfolios. You see, position without portfolios, and you are giving, and now you are telling us the 2016 now solve problems now. Which
he
problems
said
are
he
you?
fixed them so.
Or no fixing doom so.
Yeah,
and the power minister in October, because I said the finance, the doom so that we experienced was that of finance and not that of production.
Generation.
So we no the minister and then on one I can correct.
You are not the president. Now president now so what fix it. Minister on the manager.
Any now also no the share is also on fixing. Also no went me and na Adea Akye Abia national capacity. And you are telling me that me wa and a jubilee no ni and child or not Adea no so man on confessing. So it tells you say clearly self fixing so Adea no a open obi abehunu enne so catch obi ase dum so aba nobody will dispute it because obi ehunu obi afili 2016 before 2016 so fixing dum so Ghana for him and Ghana for NPP buy from 2017 to 2024 say na dum so Ghana for him and now wait me I find a way wait me about power overwhelming endorsement Ghana for the actions as a brand new boom. You started on wrong footing, sacking people, dismissing people arbitrarily. Appointment you are defeated your own purpose for which you came to government. I don't know I saw but Parliament now beyond the rhetorics and the politics as usual. And then what hope did it inspire anybody in this country? Tell us one thing that I should be inspired of in all the speech. Is it them kukon kitingiti? Is it which as Ghanaian youth having been desperate?
Implement the 24-hour economy.
Which 24-hour economy they themselves? John Dramani Mahama himself doesn't understand 24-hour economy.
How?
Has he been able to explain to you? From all the campaigns that they did and the advertisement they did, have you been convinced? Have you been convinced? What you say? Have you understood it? So we say 24-hour economy of Ghana, and they say according to JMA. What would you tell the person? Again, look at the explanations that we have had. Okuja to see a basis regional airports over here. akwa bi a oba ya onkura de obeka bi omo pamo no wase on be ye data ne wa on budon star ebi say ase du nketi ase on be ma electricity rebate ebi so which of these experience is he coming to do? I bet inspire hope and confidence.
Why don't you wait
to me
for 11th March? It is coming, the budget.
You see, the coming event cuts its own shadow.
Okay.
Now, grown, yes, a bear die if Ranopa. Memin that bear die if you had a number. If you had a number, who could you only one city will go to? A better than Memin die order.
It does not exhume and
it doesn't inspire any hope and confidence. Send card the new battle and so overturn from a decay. 18 came from a decay no. Any SONA Everton. And no, and then Cassie saying, enjoy, and Kiashe in Sua air and from a decline at the Nankayashe. Nemum, at the end of the day, the coming event, no, Ancherapi. Shadow Bia, Bibi, Ancherabia. So it cannot be the case that a budget but that is going to be presented for and on behalf of His Excellency John Mahama is going to give anything different or anything. At the end of the day, the air can say yate state of the nation or mind yate, but it is a exams and teacher ni be markia and go back at say Abia there's more room for improvement. Go and come again. So at the end of the day, Mama the Yera your mama I can't any no yate so ye me a ye tie no there. It doesn't inspire any confidence. It doesn't inspire any hope. You need and that's so be our say baby papa.
Okay.
Beyond the rhetorist.
Vincent. Yes, I'm wrap it up. I'm with you.
My medals ni akonya wasa dia mama na. Minu minim se onya akonya nanka ensema yewura kan yi. Nanka oba e sinking fan na okan nanka wa ribuku se ampa sika na okan yi nim koko ECG ka omodo to ampa entisa but me gidi se as usual propaganda na minu yen oba ya obeye na ya na so sad to hear from MPP people say omo kachre say ye ba ye bele workers sometimes me I'm affected by MPP 2016 ye lose aba I was given appointment at Forestry Commission mo pam me colleague ba pam me on the basis say that time by the fire wasn't there was no budget after the election. Okay. I think I got the appointment on 14th December. You suckers, pam me. My colleague back on offense of on a deputy communication officer. No police. Mo pam mo ba fie. Where sometimes on enye nipa ne kwatena fie no na ha, you know. What is the rationale behind what you did? Sometimes madwem boni ni adwen fi na ya na se no. People don't want to read that meaning. What now one of omo minister ni bodyguard what would your crana do sa afa lose we the Asonko Bank of Ghana. What were you doing within the 8 years of government? This kind of hypocrisy be ni yema yenua no ho nkyere no na amamuo no nya basa na nimguase yenka no na Ghana fo mbeto aba no. We are telling you people Ghana fo ahunu say akohwibra na mbebo within 8 years of mo government. So we've been with the overwhelming votes I don't expect you to come here and say all those things. But me didn't say usual propaganda, send a mischief need those say, you know, and until obey her. Okay, send me say your friend say NDC hasn't so doom so. On July 19th, Yewra Bawumia, he said Mahama should take no credit for solving doom so. Presidential candidate even credit come one who say Yewra John Dramani Mahama na solve this. So you here telling the whole Ghana say Mahama, and I have it on here. Met me a year actually he made it clearly accept to say Yewra John Mahama was solving doom so. And to say penny panasam krana dear why yes no let's give him the benefit of the doubt. It mean ma me na hunu say dum so de wo po ompo yensa no adwuma na solve dum so eno mfa so na nakuma se modeka friend say plant we ba ha ehun ka amel ba ha wo hu ka mo de even mo taking from friend say takradi to ha hwe ka mo de to ho mo ba enyafu bibia na do mo say bom na mo didi And the same Guasiano and Ghana for the mam 1.7 million vote difference. ABC that unprecedented. Okay, you people should go back, sit up. Now Munkro na muka kasa na enya den. Munkoko treni omu ye. Now Munsuma sabe tna radio sumanya sa opportunity say said in throne about my Ghana. I want to assure you people, Ghanaians has given us 4 years mandate. We are focused, we are determined, and we will deliver to make Ghana better.
Finally.
Oh, so we refer to 2017. The external debt was $1 billion. NPP paid. Who told you that? What is governance? It is continued process. You come and you meet whatever you meet. You take asset, you take liability, you fix it. So fix it. President Muhammadu Bawumia never said it where Muhammad should take no credit. What he said was that at the time you took credit as president, when you were living, you have solved doom so. When you came, there was no doom so. So even if you have solved the doom so, you should not take any credit for that. You don't misquote me out of context. And you do things more propaganda now. You take the matter.
Video
you take the matter.
Omannhene should give me the benefit.
Tell us what was being responded to. At the end, I know what responded to. That's what the point I'm making. Okay. He was responding to a point that you are claiming you have solved himself, and you need not claim any credit for it. So obi ma now the na kofi no abeka kire was say metimi na anyam. So what? What should have been the case? The normal case scenario. What should have been? So I don't know what's in Ekoto Jamro. So no Iranian. Even the case self-inflicted, you brought the doomso because hitherto there was no doomso. So even if you have solved that doomso, you should not take any credit for it. And you are coming to impute word in Muhammad Bawumia's mouth. Yeah, they kind of say, when you overwhelming endorsement, or mine the Ashamonsa. Omannhene Ghana for expect say said be another rank where Kufuor de Ghana could do yen. Or 12,000 kilometers of road. Or drip. Now say Papa ya now Herbal Ododo ni.
Nilante.
Also Kufuor has no legacy. But for Kufuor doesn't carry near you. The portfolio you hold today. Akufuado drip machines or Kofabaya. And yes, Akufuado need legacy and you should have credit him with your portfolio. But on and no word you might. Naka you may post your chairman. Mahamed post on money. Akufuado now go finding Fidiaba. And yes, and no new post are within it. Then you turn around to lambast the very person who has given you job.
That is on that note, Vincent. Parliamentary candidate Emma of Finso North, right? South. Lawyer George Upon, former PM, and also aspiring parliamentary candidate for Kwabre. Now a lawyer by profession. I was informed the Musiha. Now you enjoy your weekend and have a wonderful day. My name is Omannhene on behalf of the Chief Executive Producer, Bright Entry. Akosia Somoaku Jando, Ya Grace, Azuka, and all the team. We say thank you for staying with us, and then it's time for full time.